Okay, so this talks about the average value of a continuous function being 1 on b minus a, the integral of f of x between a and b. And it says if k is the average value of f of x on the interval, show that the area of the region bounded by f of x above the line y equals k is equal to the area of the region below the line y equals k. So rather than using k, it'd be easier to use 0, because when we integrate something like this and they're equal, we get 0 for our integration. So what we can do is take this curve and bring it down by k. So for example, if this was k and this is 0 down here, you know, when we integrate, we'd have to do the minus k first, which you can think of it like that as well. The other thing, so you can think of it as just area between two curves. So curve minus k. But the other thing is just to bring it all down so it's on the x-axis. Not that it looks like this, but so that we'll get 0 when we integrate it. So how do we do that? Well, if we take the curve a to b, so we take our curve, our f of x curve, and we bring it down by k, so we're just translating it. So now it should, if we integrate between a and b, we should be getting a 0 as our answer, if that is correct, if it's got the same area above and below that line, y equals k. Alright, so let's split this up. Let's go between a and b for f of x dx, and let's go between a and b, well, let's integrate, so we get kx, and we're going between a and b. Okay, hope you understood my explanation there. Okay, so what do we get here? We get a to b, f of x dx. When we sub in here, we sub in b first, so we've got, oops, minus. So we've got bk, I'll just put it here, b minus a. Alright, and k, we know, we're told that k is the average, so k is equal to this value, because that is the average value. So let's substitute that in for k. So k is 1 on b minus a, and we're timesing it by b minus a of the integral a to b f of x dx. And you can see that's a minus, that this will of course equal 1, and then you've got that minus that, so you will get 0. So it is true, if k is the average value of f of x on that interval, then the area of the region bounded by f of x above the line y equals k and the area of the region below the line y equals k is equal, so it's got to equal 0.